Suzuki just dropped a bombshell in the motocross world. The all-new 2026 RM-Z 1050 is here, and it's pushing boundaries like never before. This isn't just another incremental update. This is a complete reimagining of what a motocross bike can be. Welcome to Next Gen Reviews, where today we're breaking down everything you need to know about Suzuki's most powerful and advanced RM-Z ever built. Design. The 2026 RM-Z 1050 looks absolutely menacing. Suzuki's designers have crafted a bike that screams performance from every angle. The bodywork is sharper and more aerodynamic, with redesigned plastics that improve airflow and reduce drag. The signature yellow and blue livery looks fantastic, but it's the attention to detail that really stands out. The slimmer frame profile makes it easier to move around on the bike, while the flatter seat design gives you better control in aggressive riding positions. Performance. Under the hood, the RM-Z 1050 packs a revolutionary 1050cc four-stroke engine that delivers explosive power across the entire rev range. This power plant produces insane torque that'll launch you out of corners like a rocket. The updated engine mapping provides smoother power delivery when you need it, but don't worry, there's still plenty of raw aggression when you twist the throttle. The 6-speed transmission shifts like butter, giving you perfect control in any situation. Features and technology. Suzuki hasn't held back on tech. The RM-Z 1050 features an advanced electronic fuel injection system that automatically adjusts for altitude and temperature. The fully adjustable Showa suspension handles everything from small bumps to massive jumps with incredible precision. Dual hydraulic disc brakes provide fade-free stopping power, while the Renthal fat bar handlebars reduce vibration and rider fatigue. Conclusion. The 2026 RM-Z 1050 is an absolute beast that's ready to dominate any track. What's your take on this new powerhouse? Let us know in the comments. If you enjoyed this review, hit that like button, share it with your fellow riders, and subscribe to Next Gen Reviews for all the latest motorcycle content. Ride safe, and we'll catch you in the next one.